Sure, my handlebar broke.
Oh shit.
Yeah, I think we can walk right more.
I have some tape and some things to get you there, maybe. Let's get it up first, maybe.
Okay.
Okay, hang on a minute. Let me just take my jacket off. Take my helmet off. This guy's just crashed. So a few people have stopped to help him. Okay. Are you okay?
¿Quieren que avisemos a la policía o...? Porque acá tenemos una hora y media tenemos... Bueno, debe haber un control acá policial o algo. ¿Quieren que le avisemos para que...
Yo soy inglés.
Claro, avisar. Sí.
Por acá señal, eso
No hay nada.
Maybe we get it up and maybe look at it, yeah?
Right.
Let's try, everybody. Where is it, if it goes up though, is it in gear? Is it in gear, you know? Because otherwise it'll just fly down there. Okay. Okay, gear. Good.
Yeah.
¿Está bien la persona? Sí, nosotros estamos bien. Está bien. Pero si necesitamos una grúa.
Bueno,
Suelto, ¿no?
sí. Bueno, ahí vamos a...
Sí, nosotros nos quedamos acá, no podemos hacer más nada.
Número al que nos vamos a contactar.
Si vamos a tener que avisar nosotros porque...
Sí, avisen ustedes, pero para nosotros estar con el contacto,
I had some number for the back.
Not good signal. Yeah. Do you think they will come out and take it out?
Yeah, they are
Okay.
They are like 1 hour ago.
Okay.
And I hope that they send out
Anything else would be not so bad.
yeah, the
I
handlebar.
can analyze. They want you very confident.
Él tiene grúa, se puede traer una moto.
¿Quién?
Un conocido que tengo ahí en Gregores. Yo ahora llego, usted no tiene señal.
No, nada.
Porque yo puedo llegar a avisarle que venga para acá.
No, no tengo nada de señal.
Bueno, vale, venga.
Ya, y es es fácil como un taller para arreglarla.
Sí, allá va a conseguir, ¿eh? Vamos.
Okay, man.
Are they going to come? Definitely?
Yeah,
Okay.
they will send somebody to help us.
Try not to worry. I know it looks terrible, but try
No.
not to worry. You know, shit happens. And where are you going to tonight? Where were you going to? The next day? Governor.
Governor
Yeah,
Gregores.
me too. Yeah.
Me too? Okay.
Have you got a place booked?
Not yet.
Okay.
But we checked some places.
Okay.
the good thing is that we are alive.
Yeah, drove on the wrong side of the road in the car, and I was like 17, stupid, my mistake. I was tired, hit the car, and the bike was upright, and I flew down the Pyrenees. Oh my God, what happened? And they just lifted me back to the road, took me at hospital, but I was perfect, nothing wrong. The bike was, we had to ship it home, but I just said, well, you know, as long as we are okay, it's okay. Okay.
Now we are.
Yeah, the poor bike. I'm just gonna
No,
fill up.
but
Yeah.
I have some.
Yeah. Are you
Chest. Yes.
really? Are you okay?
It's some pain.
Yeah. I suppose you hit the front maybe.
No.
What happened?
No.
Oh really?
Over the bike. Because the bike starts to do
Yeah.
like that.
Yeah.
Then.
Oh.
And we both go over the bike.
No, really?
Yes.
Your gear, your equipment has saved you. Yeah.
Really?
Your equipment has saved you. It really has. You know. When you see people in t-shirts, it's crazy.
You saw where I just picking things?
Yeah.
On the bike?
Yeah. I just was like, what the hell? Oh man.
Oh, thank you for
Well, I can't do much, but
No,
do I need to do if I go to see somebody, or they've sorted it? Are they all sorted it? Okay. Okay. All
We
right.
are calling the police maybe and
Okay.
Ruta.
I know.
Like
the guy who
Oh,
picked the bike.
okay. Yeah. Yeah. Have you got food, drink, things?
No, we have.
Okay.
Thank
I'm just going to put some petrol in mine. It's already saying it's low.
No mucho, pero vamos a mojar.
And of course it's raining. Of course it has to rain now.
Could it be audio?
No.
There are many things like this.
Yeah. Well, insurance, that's the good thing.
The thing is, I don't have insurance here in Argentina. I have in Colombia,
Yeah.
Ecuador,
Yeah.
Bolivia,
Not, yeah.
but in Argentina, I don't have
What is your
insurance.
total journey? Where have you been going to? From?
Ushuaia.
Okay, me too. Yeah.
Nice.
And how many days, how many months have you been riding?
We are been running for 44 days.
Shit, that's incredible. Yeah, you should.
No, no, está muy bien porque, o sea, si nos hubiera... ¿Sí entiendes? No, me está hablando. Eso es lo que pasa.
me cayó encima la maleta y que no entendí cómo fue.
Ah, your tank is empty.
Yes, it suddenly came up, said 70, 80 kilometers. I thought, shit, I won't make it. Thanks. So, there we go.
Man,
Oh,
I think
no.
it's better if you
Yeah,
do it
I should
from
go that
this way.
side, yeah. Even I'm stressed. Stressed for you. There we go. Thanks.
No, much better.
That's easier. That's easier.
La herramienta se gasta, se gasta. La de otro lado no le pasa nada. No, pero se compramos un de nuevo.
Mira, jolín. Nos caímos. Partimos del manubrio. Sigue para la mierda. Partimos la mesa acá. La barra se ocurrió, perdimos esto de la luz. Esto acá arriba también lo olvidamos. Pero estamos bien. Estamos bien. Okay. Everything is good.
Are you?
Bien sexta. Sí, pero teniendo coche. Bájalo otra vez, te hago. ¿Ok?
Hey guys, take a picture of this if you can. This is on my YouTube channel, and you will be on it.
Oh my god.
Yeah, you're famous now.
Holy.
Unbelievable.
And if you get stuck in the next place,
Gobernador Gregores?
yes, I'm going there, and I booked a place which has like 4 bedrooms, but just for me because it was just one. So if you get stuck, you can contact me on email or something. Yeah,
Okay.
if you want to take my email.
How long have you been traveling?
I think 15 days. I can't remember actually. So I rented it in the capital, Santiago.
Oh,
In
And
Chile.
then, and then I drove here with a friend, but he stopped after one day.
okay.
He said it's
Why?
too much.
Wow.
It's Nick, and my phone. So take out the 00. Yeah, you're right.
44, 00.
And you get Wi-Fi. You can, if you're desperate, just call me. Yeah.
Thank you so
Yeah.
much.
Where are you guys from then?
Colombia.
From Colombia. Wow, come all the way here.
What's your name?
Nick.
Nick.
Yeah. And you?
Sophia
So-
and
Sebastian.
Sebastian.
Bastian. Oh my goodness. Well, take care. Look after yourselves. If you need me to go and get something, let me know. But
No,
it
thank
sounds
you
like
so
it's all
much.
organised.
Everything's gonna be okay.
Okay. Good luck.
Thank you so much.
Ah, look after yourselves and each other.
Your YouTube channel is from what? Or...
Motorcycling.
Oh,
I have not many, 700 subscribers,
Nice.
but it's just fun. Mainly,
Nice.
yeah, it's mainly in the UK, obviously, with people. But I've been doing a little vlog of the trip, obviously, and I was saying on the trip how dangerous this road is, because one minute you're going on, you know, a good road, the next minute it's, oh my god, and then it's a bump, then it's okay. You have to just constantly sort of stressful.
In Colombia, we are like used to it, so
Really?
that's why we were going like
Ah,
faster.
okay.
Because we
It's
came
normal
from
for us.
Chile.
Wow.
We came from Chile today,
Yeah.
and everything was like this.
Did you go around the lake by Chile Chico?
No,
Okay.
we went yesterday to Villa O'Higgins.
Yes,
you know?
yes, I do. Yeah.
Okay,
Gosh.
and there we crossed the border in
Yeah.
Paso Rio Roballo.
I know. Yeah. Oh gosh, I saw it on the map.
Uh-huh.
It's, you must be actually, you are a really good rider, because I came the boat from Puerto Montt down, and I thought, oh my god, this is scary, very scary. I'm not used to this, and I was like, I've never seen roads like this. No, it's just
All the
in Europe
roads-
they're perfect, you know.
So
No, for
the
us it's
carretera austral
Yeah.
is like this.
Oh my god.
So we were like, it's fine. You know?
no.
I was
Then
like-
I go in the middle and the bike starts.
Yeah, it's the thicker stuff in the middle, isn't it? Yeah. You'll probably be telling the story for everybody.
The story for sure is we are alive.
You were alive. That's the only thing important, honestly. The rest is money.
The bike goes.
Yeah. If you can get new handlebars, maybe a few pieces, maybe it'd be okay. You know, just
The handlebar is there.
yeah.
Then just bar, maybe. Bar box. And I will need some rest.
Okay, take care, guys. Nice to meet you. Okay, look after yourselves. Yeah, take care. No, I think I'll be okay. Well, famous last words. Yes. Oh my god, those poor people. Okay, I've just got another about 125 kilometers. I'm getting very tired. Been an eventful day. That poor young couple had a nasty crash. I felt so sorry for them. Very unlucky. He's an experienced rider. It just hit the gravel and threw him off. But as they both said, you know, they're okay. That's the main thing. Bikes can be fixed. Someone has called ahead now for a pickup truck. That'll come from the village I'm heading into. It's going to take a while. I mean, I'd imagine at least 2 hours, and that'll go out, and that'll pick them up and then take them back 2 hours back into the town or village, and then of course they'll have to sort things from there. The problem with this road is you can be literally going along and everything's fine, and the next minute you're either in thick gravel or there's a massive pothole. I mean, you know, it could throw you off the bike, can break wheel rims, etc. So, you know, one mistake can be catastrophic, really, and that's put an end to their trip. They've been travelling from Colombia all the way down. They've really done some gnarly stuff, and they've heading for Ushuaia, but that'll have to be put on hold for a while, and it'll be fixed eventually, of course, and then it can continue the journey.
as I say, and both of them were saying, they're not injured. I think a bit bruised, and obviously they're going to be sore from that, but they seem okay. And I've given them my number and said, look, if you get into this town, we're all staying in the same town because there is nowhere else. And I said, if you can't find accommodation, give me a shout, because the place I booked, I think I booked 3 or 4 bedrooms, sort of the whole bungalow or apartment, and yet for me, so there's spare room if they need it. And you know, if I can help, of course I will help. But we've all done it on motorcycles. We've all had situations, and mine, I've told the story before, when I was 17 and went to Spain, and I went on, my headlamp blew on my Triumph Bonneville, and I stopped to put it in. I was very tired, I'd ridden about 10 hours, I was young, inexperienced, and when I set off again, I fixed the bulb. When I set off again, I set off on the wrong side of the road, as if I was in England. And this car was coming towards me, and I thought, blimey, why is he on the wrong side of the road? Before I realised it was me, and I hit him. I went flying. I went absolutely flying over the top of this car, and ambulance, etc., etc. And I was fine, absolutely fine. If you want the full-length story, I've told it elsewhere. So the bike had to be shipped home because it was, I think we were talking 1977 or 78. It was very hard to get spares from Triumph, Meridian Triumph. It was a nightmare, so we just shipped it home. So, you know, accidents do happen, and thankfully we're all still alive. That's the main thing. This route is Ruta 40. It's notorious. It's something that everybody wants to do, but it's so dangerous at times. So it's you know, I'm very thankful so far. I've been okay. It's, of course, we were laughing, saying, of course, it has to start raining. When you're stuck by the side of a road, of course it's going to rain. So the rain's come down. I've layered up more and swapped batteries on this thing. Put it direct into the bike to try and charge it up, this new one. And we'll just keep going now. 114 kilometers. Oh, that was the other thing, that unbelievably, my map said 150 kilometers to go, and my tank came up and said you've got 98 left kilometers. So I was like, wow, thank God I've got this red canister on the back full of gas, because I'd never have made it. So whilst I was chatting to them, excuse me, I managed to fill it up. I spilt most of it in my nervousness and stress for them. But I put a lot in, and I've got now 179 available, and it's saying 113 to go. So I've got plenty spare now. The key is to find another gas station tomorrow and fill up both the bike and the red container, because it's you don't want to be standing out here in the middle of nowhere. Everybody's got a red container, and I'm sure another biker will help you with a little bit of gas if you need it. But I like to be as self-sufficient as I can. I was just thinking about his bike, because of all the things to break, you know, you can do a lot in life, but you can't do much when half your handlebars missing. And so his handlebars laying on the side, and there's the couple carrying the cat. Keep seeing them. She's holding the cat in a bag on one side. He's got a fuel can dangling by a rope on the left, and they're making their way very slowly back to his house in down this way. Where was I? Oh yeah, so the breakage is a half a handlebar, and I was just thinking to myself, I wonder whether you could just clamp it, U-clamp it, because he had a bit of clamp there, and duct tape and U-clamp. And I'm not suggesting you could use it, you couldn't change gear, but you know, like all these things, once you can double the clutch, once you can get the revs right, you can change without using the clutch. It's the same in a car, really. So I wonder if he could have just limped home. And then I thought, well, yeah, you probably could have done, but the reality is they're going to send a truck anyway to put the bike on anyway, so he's either going to be riding really slowly or he's going to be sitting waiting for the truck. So, and they had two of them and a lot of gear. I was half wondering whether I should take one of them and then leave my gear with him for the tow truck, and in the end they both said no, you know, let's wait for the truck. So I hope it's not too long for them. Yeah, so my heart was going out to them. You know, it's incredibly brave to doing this journey, especially for the distance they're going, and it's not easy, this road.